Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off app icon badges in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. First, understand that what is an app icon badge. See here, see this app, and see here, a number is displaying at the right corner, right upper corner. See here, 2 is displaying. And see here in the call button 4 is displaying, in the message 1 is displaying. That means one new message is received for messages, and 4 new will be 4 new are available in the call button. Okay, so if you would like to turn off this app icon number, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is just go to the settings of your phone here, then go to home screen, and here you will find one option called app icon badges. Okay, just to turn off this button. Now you will not get any new numbers or anything over the app icon corner. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn off app icon badges in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.